So what are you doing now, John?
Well, we're removing, trying to delicately remove as much of this coom as possible. As whole as we can. Well, look at that. This weighs 10 pounds. I know there's some dirt in there,
John,
but
is this a highlight of your summer? Pretty good.
Well, it's been actually the first wild colony I've seen a bunch of honey in.
Yeah.
There's a shit
I think it's
ton.
pretty cool.
And it doesn't look like at all.
Isn't this the brood right here, this dark stuff?
I think it's just covered sawdust, dude.
Oh.
From the dirt from the tree from when it, see?
Yeah. This is just ridiculous. I said a coach word on the internet.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Is that heavy too?
Yeah.
Just layered, didn't it?
Yeah. I think what happened is it came unattached.
So those like 3 years worth of layering?
Boy, it doesn't look that old at all, I'm serious.
See how it's layered though?
I know, but they could have done that in a season.
Yeah, I bet they did that this year.
There's a beetle right there. That's the ex-beetle.
Ex-beetle just like John Lennon.
Thank you. Yeah. I'm sorry I threw your nut away.
See, there's attachments right here.
Wow, man. I never seen it like this. That last one he had wasn't like this.
Here, I found some more.
This is cool as shit. Look at that. Look at
I
that.
found some more.
Piece right there.
Good.
Dad, here.
Looks like there's gonna be honey in the jar.
Look, Ava. Wild honey.
Look, I found some more.
Say thank you.
Thanks, baby.
You can drop it there if you want to.
Good boy.
Catch me. There, here.
Hold on, baby. My hands are sticky.
I'll take it. You just hang on to it. You wanted me to have it?
Ava. Ava.
Look, Ava, you're on film.
See my muscles?
Your muscles.
So that I can get this animal.
Oh, that's just a honey-soaked rag right here.
You gotta get this thing.
What's that doing?
Cutting off the cone. What are you doing?
I'm talking about the cigarette on the air.